You've never tasted almond milk until you've made it yourself. All right, let's see what we got here. Dipisitium, precalcium, phosphate, riboflavin. Isn't that the guy that tried to eliminate the Ninja Turtles? I love almond milk. I love all milks, but that ain't food. So I'm gonna make my own almond milk today. Soak your almonds for 4 hours or overnight if you can, just in water. Just cover them with water, let them soak. Drain them, throw them into your blender, 4 times the amount of water. I use 1 cup of almonds, so I'm gonna use 4 cups of water. And if you like, but it's not required, I'm gonna add a touch of honey and a pinch of salt. Literally a little bit of salt. Now we blend until it looks nice and milky. Oop. Now we have almond milk. Couldn't be easier. Now I'll get some kind of strainer. You can use a light kitchen towel or cheesecloth, or they even make bags specific for almond milk, but I'm just gonna use a regular kitchen towel, and then just strain it out. And don't throw away the pulp that we're gonna get out of this, because you can make all kinds of fun stuff with that. Oh, well. Okay, do better than me. Once it gets to the point where you can pick it up without it spilling all over the place, like you just saw me do, just slowly start to squeeze it out. And that's really it. This will last 2 or 3 days in the fridge. Don't go past that, because that's why they put all the junk in it, so that it lasts for a while. This will get pretty funky after a couple of days. So just make small batches, and I have no patience, so I'm just gonna try it right out of here. Come on, stop buying it. This is nectar. Mmm.